E-learning, a term we're all familiar with in today's world. But let me ask you, does online learning alone give you a complete learning experience? Many might say, yes. After all, we have access to endless information with one click. But is that enough? No, it's not. Real learning goes beyond information. It's about practice, guided feedback, and expert support. In today's AI-driven world, where students and teachers spend significant time on digital screens, learning has shifted from traditional methods, like books, to digital platforms. But how can we transform these screens into a fully immersive e-learning experience? Imagine a platform that consolidates everything students and tutors need, from subjects like mathematics, computer science, and biology to courses like coding, digital skills, web development, cybersecurity, and beyond. How can we create a unified space that allows students to seamlessly learn all these subjects and courses in one place, with learning content, hands-on activities, one-on-one guidance, and AI assistance, all in one place, right on their screens? Welcome to School of Coding and AI, the UK's largest multi-award-winning computer science and AI-driven education company. Introducing SOC Learning, where innovation and technology come together to create a truly complete learning experience. Let's take a tour. At SOC Learning, we personalized one-on-one online sessions provide customized support and flexibility, allowing each student to receive the guidance they need, all from the comfort of their own home. At our e-learning platform, here, learners start by logging in with their credentials. They can choose from a variety of courses, each broken down into chapters to make learning manageable. For each chapter, learners have access to comprehensive reading material, downloadable for further review. We understand that questions can arise at any time. With SOC's AI assistance, learners receive instant support as they study, and teachers can also utilize the AI assistance to provide explanations, right there on the bottom right of the screen. Students and teachers can easily take notes on their learning at any time by clicking the Take Notes button in the top right corner, and you can edit them later if needed by clicking on the Edit icon. Once they finish a chapter, it's time to put knowledge into action with interactive activities. Learners download the activity, complete it at their own pace, and upload their work when it's ready for the feedback from the tutor. Learners can easily leave notes for their tutor by clicking the chat icon at the right bottom of the screen. Tutors also have access to the same dashboard. They can review completed activities, assess the learner's progress, and leave detailed feedback. Learners are notified instantly, so they can review their feedback, make improvements, and resubmit until they achieve mastery. And the best part? This cycle of learning and feedback continues, providing a seamless path to success. Now, that's a complete learning experience, all in one platform, with expert guidance and personalized support. SOC Learning, where learning is not just digital, it's dynamic.